with the tangibly. So this governance, if it's not well utilized, it's a waste of money and time, isn't it? Also, we keep it invisible because of small books. If it's not utilized, so it's nothing but trash, But if it's well utilized, it creates a great value. I want to identify the best practices through this monitoring process, So then it will be very appreciated, and we'll make it best practices and report it to corporate partners. Okay. Thank you.
And then
You're always the last one.
good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Odega Festo, and I was assigned to come up with an M&E plan for infrastructure and facility improvement. So basically, like this is my outline. I looked at the component overview, what to be monitored, the justification for the monitoring, how to be monitored, when will monitoring take place, where data will be collected, who is responsible, what evidence is required, and then the feedback modalities. So I won't dive into the overview because of time. So I'm going to look at what will be monitored. So when it comes to facility improvement, when you're monitoring, you look at the construction and the renovation progress. This involves the work completion versus the plan timeline. You look at the contractor adherence to work plan and schedules. Then the availability of materials, workforce, site management, the compliance with the BOQs, the technical drawings and the scope,